I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be.
You're watching Kayladeee, Caribbean Queen, Kayladeee, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything real me. You're watching Kayladeee, Caribbean Queen, Kayladeee, Caribbean Queen. Beauty.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Kayla. For today's video, I am back to show you guys how I achieved such a natural looking install with a wig that I received from none other than Luvme hair. Now, if you do want to see how I got my wig to look like this, then definitely keep on watching. The wig that I'll be reviewing from on today is their Kinky Ombre lace front wig. Now, this is a 5x5 lace closure, and it does come with the kinky edges on the front of your unit. I'm just gonna go ahead and try this wig and show you guys what it's looking like. That has never happened before where I'm pulling my wig down and the lace just rips. Thank God it did not rip the hair. Alright y'all, so this is what the kinky edges on your unit looks like. Also, this wig is a 5x5 lace closure, and the length I got it, I believe, is a 22 inch. Since my lace already went ahead and ripped, I'm just gonna cut the rest of the lace.
You got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you.
Alright y'all, so this is what the wig is looking like. I'm definitely feeling the ombre color in this unit, the brown black. I'm so here for this. I'm tired, honestly. I'm actually getting over just black hair. I feel like it's so boring now. It's the summertime, so I want to like do something new and different. I'm just tired of black hair. Now, it already comes pre-parted for you guys. It does come already parted with a side part, as you guys can see. To lay down my unit, I am using the Ebon Wonder Lace Bond. So this is a wig that you can wear glueless. As you guys can see right now, it's not being held down with anything, and it is sitting pretty snug on my head, but I am going out tonight, so I do want a bit more security just to be on the safe side. I'm going to apply 2 layers of this adhesive before I lay my wig down.
So right, cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So you, what we've been through, I miss you. And you I wish I could call you up, miss how you put your love on me.
Why you got my number? Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow.
I'm just going to go in and style this hair. I'm just going to take my straightener and straighten it out. We're not going to do anything too much today.
Mixing some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever real again. Take my hand, I promise to love again. Love again. Yeah, yeah. If you can, take my hand, I promise we'll find love again. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
guys can see, this is the side that I did went ahead and straighten. As you guys can see, it's a huge difference compared to this side over here that is on straighten. This is just like your natural hair look when you wake up in the morning. This is pretty much how my natural hair looks in the morning time when I wake up straight out of bed. And then here it just looks like I just got a fresh silk press. It feels super soft. It feels very natural. Like this is exactly how my natural hair texture feels when I straighten it. So yeah, I'm definitely loving this. As you guys can see the difference, this is such a natural looking wig. I love this.
Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you punks, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't play that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This in between us is not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? In the trenches, relax. Can you not put that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rap. We in Atlanta, I buy her wig. You telling me Tay is the dad. Pointed at nigga who act like a killer, but you only work from the neck. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you gon' get stripped. Bring Drake to the hood. Surround Drake, round Drake. Even though I got the cake, do what it takes. And I never been embraced, and the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not how I went. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out of the wrist and forgot about the bed. Now they just call me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they won't dead it.
Alright you guys, so this is what the hair is looking like now that I'm done with styling and installing her. This was such an easy wig to install. Very minimal work. It does not require a lot of work at all. The wig pretty much comes already done for you. I also love the fact that it remains looking super natural even after straightening out the hair. I look like I just got a fresh silk press. This is definitely giving me such good vibes right now. It also looks like it's growing straight out of my scalp. Again, it did come with the 4C edges, so that's why it has like that very realistic look in the front there. You cannot even see any lace. Let me just come closer to show you guys. You cannot see any lace unless you're like looking in the scalp of the wig. But looking directly in the front of your wig itself, you cannot see any lace there, as you guys can see. So yeah, this is such a natural looking wig. Again, this is from Luvme here. I will have all their details links down below to where you guys can find this exact same unit. Also, you guys, this is what the back of your wig is looking like. I will have all their details linked down below to where you guys can find this exact same unit on their website. If I do have a discount code for you guys, that will be linked down below as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, comment down below and let me know. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button if you are not subscribed already to my channel. That way you will not miss any of my uploads, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
10:30, no later than drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop, baby. No matter what I've seen in the past, I want that